How do I change the language settings in Hulu?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to cover a very important topic: how to change the language settings in Hulu. If you're using Hulu in a different language and you want to switch to another one, this video will guide you through every step of the way.
What you'll need.
Before we start, make sure you have the following ready: your Hulu account. You should be signed in to your Hulu account where you want to change the language settings. A device. You can use a computer, smartphone, or tablet.
Accessing Hulu account settings.
Here's the step-by-step guide to accessing your Hulu account settings. 1. Open your web browser and go to the Hulu website. 2. Sign in to your Hulu account if you haven't already. You'll find the sign-in option usually at the top right of the screen. 3. Once signed in, navigate to your account page by clicking on your profile at the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu.
Changing the language settings.
Once you're in your account page, follow these steps. 1. Look for the section named Language Preference. This is where you can change your preferred language. 2. Select the new language you want to use from the drop-down menu. 3. After selecting the new language, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This button is usually located at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. Now you know how to change the language settings in your Hulu account. We hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. Remember, enjoying your favorite shows and movies in your preferred language can enhance your viewing experience. Happy streaming, and until next time.